So I've got this scrap board and I'm working on the barrel kayak. The boy, we took it out the other day and he said it needs a trolling motor. So this piece of scrap 2x6 is going to become a trolling motor mount. And maybe even a storage box. So this is what I'm thinking. This screws to the back of the boat. The trolling motor clamps on here. So this is a scrap from the pump house I'm building. The pump house is built out of wedding benches. These are the screws that held the wedding benches together. I'm going to use them to hold my trolling motor mount together. And I've already got pilot holes drilled. It's just a matter now of putting it together. So I've got the box built and there's almost enough room to tighten up both of these big plastic wing nuts. But this one hits. My scrap was just a little bit too short. But if I take it back apart, I could cut a notch through here, even if I cut it on both sides, to give more room for twisting the wing nuts. Other than that, we're good to go. So I just took the chop saw and made some wing nut reliefs. I think that's going to work. Put it back together and go test it. So this is what the trolling motor mount looks like. I've got this board spacing it up. Now that's not a treated board. This is going to be a test. How long does non-treated last? When it rots, we'll replace it. I'm going to put 2 screws from this into this, put these 2 screws into that. These 4 screws, they're going to go into the inside of the boat. It's now just a matter of screwing it together. Now the trolling motor mount is mounted. It is screwed in place. Looks good to me. And if you're not using the trolling motor, that could be your cooler. Well, your bottled water holder. It holds me. I guess it'll hold a trolling motor. Well, I mean it should. Let's put the trolling motor on.
Another one bites the dust.
I need to spin the boat around, hang this off the back, sitting there and pretend I'm steering it. Then we need to get it in the water. And I think I'll put the battery in there, maybe under the seat, behind the seat. Out of sight, out of mind. I can just steer it with my head. That's what we're going to do. Head steering. I'm ready to go try it out. Maybe tomorrow we can go hit the water hole with it. Alright, let's try a different motor. Now I've got the homemade pressure washer engine on, but I forgot to get gas. And there's only a little bit in there. I don't know if it'll start. If it will, good. If it don't, we can say we tried. Pull the carburetor plug out. Turn the key on. Pump some gas into there. Maybe if I tilt the engine, it might work better. Okay, I got a little gas to pump into the carburetor. I've got the rope, just in case it breaks off. I'm gonna put my life jacket on. We'll see what happens.
Yeah, I just had some gas.
So it worked really good with the homemade pressure washer engine, but I got no gas. I'm going to get some gas and maybe get a sticker on it. It'll be usable then. And maybe put the other two pontoons under there. It'll be going a little low with that kicker.